In this video, we are going to discuss about 10 online earning method ways. So, number one is become a virtual assistant. So, one simple way to make money from home is to help others complete tasks as a virtual assistant. So, if you are highly organized and can properly manage your time, then becoming a virtual assistant presents a low friction entry point into the digital services industry. So you can easily perform these functions as a remote worker no matter where you live. So finding work as a virtual assistant can be easily done through sites like Upwork, Indeed.com, and Remote.co. Search the existing post job and create bids. You will need effective communication skills and fluency in English and proper web and business software applications. So number two is sell stuff on eBay. So that is also a very good online earning method ways. So a large subset of our society is earning a full-time income by selling items or Craigslist and eBay. So you can do this by selling your own items or you can help sell items for other people and take a small communication. Selling on eBay offers more traction than Craigslist and you will need to establish solid review before you can begin to move high ticket items. So however, eBay does not provide resources for sellers to help you get acclimated to selling on the platform. That's the time to do your due diligence and research the platform. So if you have some solid online marketing skills, you will find this much easier than if you are a complete newbie to the world of digital marketing. So number three, trade cryptocurrency. As the digital world evolves, so does our currency. What seemed like an event yesterday will ultimately become the perform medium for money. So while cryptocurrency is still relatively new, it will ultimately become the standard. Bitcoin and Ethereum might be the primary cryptocurrency platforms today, but the USD dollar will eventually become the digital dollar by leveraging the blockchain. You can take advantage of the current boom in the current cryptocurrency by trading it through platforms like eToro and amongst many others. Number four, online tutoring. Websites like Scholarly, TutorMe, and Tutor.com provides resources for entering into the online tutoring space. While you don't need to use a platform like these, they provide a lower friction entry point into the market. You could also search for online tutoring gigs on a variety of other sites like Upwork, Freelancer, and many more. So, what type of things can you tutor online? You could easily tutor a subject like math or science while also teaching a language if you are bilingual. You could also tutor musical instruments like the guitar or piano, along with the slew of other subjects matter. Number five, selling services on Fiverr. Fiverr has grown significantly since its inception. Today, it's vast marketplace where you can sell you just about any services under the sun. This is great if you are looking to make money online as digital nomad or even while sitting at home on your laptop while in your pajamas. So what specially can you sell on Fiverr? Anything from graphic and design services or digital marketing, writing and translating services. So videos and animation services, music and audio, programming and application development, business services and lifestyle services that includes anything from celebrity impression to gaming. Number six, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing presents a very low friction entry into selling projects. So while you do need a type of audience to sell these products or services, you could make a significant amount of money from home while doing it. So some products or services have very high earning per click. That means if you play your cards right, you could easily make a large profit on conversion by driving traffic to specific offers as long as you target the right interest. So, number seven, rent out your home. Another way you can make money at home is to actually rent out your home. Airbnb have carved a sizable industry out of vacations rentals. While the market did exist prior to Airbnb arrival, it's certainly grew up laps and bond since its arrival on the scene. So number 8 is launch an e-commerce site. So e-commerce is booming while Amazon takes the lion's share. Consumers are buying by the droves when there are scope upgrade offers. In fact, some of the leading online marketplaces like Neil Patel and David Sharp, John Reyes, and many others are using free plus shipping, e-commerce, and book funnels to make small fortunes. These come back to the implementation for sales within an e-commerce environment. Number 9, start a blog. So blogs are quite possibly one of the best way to earn a passive income. Even while traveling the world, while starting a blog might be simple, you will need to put in the work and their efforts in order to reap the benefits. Plant the seeds now to enjoy the harvest later. However, once that blogs get going, generation and income and scaling out your business in straightforward, simply produce more content and line up more offers. As your blog grows in properly, so you will also be able to attract top talent willing to write for you simply in exchange for one very powerful link back to their own website. So number 10 is build a side hustle business. There are plenty of ideas for lucrative side hustle businesses that you could easily start from comfort of your own home. While starting them is easy, actually putting in the work to market or grow those businesses a bit more challenging. The hard part is seeing them through. So friends, in this video we discuss about 10 online earning method ways that is very simple. You can work online at home and earn a lot of money. So these all topics that we discuss in our this video. So if you enjoy this video, then like, share, subscribe, and press on the bell icon. You will find latest online earning method ways. So see you in next video.